With this consumer unit, I've got a little poster of what you should also find with your consumer unit. It may be located, these items may be located outside an electrical meter box, could be down in a cellar, could be in communal block of flats in the main hallway cupboard. So here we've got the main service head, which is the electricity coming up from the road outside into a big fuse. They're grey, they're black, and can be other colours as well, often quite dusty. From that will go into your electric meter. That's an old style electric meter, but sometimes you've got the new grey ones, electronic ones, or you may have even had a smart meter installed. From the electric meter, quite often it feeds out to an isolator. These are often put in by the people putting in new electric meters, so it's all safe. So you've got a safe form of isolation, otherwise known as a fireman's switch, which can turn this off, so you've got no power going into a consumer unit. Here on the consumer unit, from here, that will be going into these cables, into this electrical junction box and earthing block into your consumer unit. The consumer unit has some special glands on it to hold the cables in place, to stop you pulling on the cables. And they're fireproof as well, so that's a good benefit. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell to be informed when we release some more videos.